Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 5 and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard camera mode, so we have to stay here and move to the top at the center. When we tap on this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. At the second position now we have motion photos, so when we turn it on, we can get 2 in 1. When we take a picture, the photo and the short clip. By using these buttons from the right we can manage it. We can turn it off, which is now, turn it on auto, so the camera should recognize the best possible settings to the motion photos, or turn it on every time we take a picture. Now let me stay on it and let me show you how it works. So I'm going to take a picture now. To see it, let's move to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo. To play the short clip, we have to tap on this play button from the right. And this is how it looks like. Of course, we can stop this by tapping again on this button and see the picture. So this is how motion photos works on this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.